Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and earn free money on DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, if you would like to earn money on your DoorDash, what you would do is there are three options that you can look after. First, let's go ahead open up our DoorDash app. So we're gonna go to our accounts option, and you can see this refer friends get USD1 option below gift cards. If you tap on it, so DoorDash simply pays you for referring the application to use to your friends, and it makes you earn $1 per person. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and refer this DoorDash app links to as many people as you can. You can go and refer them and make them use it, so you can get some dollars in your pocket. So that is one of the ways for you to save some money up. The other option would be if you do have this become a dasher option, which you can obviously go ahead, do the service and earn money from DoorDash simply applying a job as well. You can say delivery with the food and drink app in the US with a network. So you can say this app has a good rate within the customers as well. You can simply go ahead, apply as a dasher as well, and can earn money through DoorDash. So these are the options, whichever is desirable to you. You can go ahead, apply and use it. And hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video.